Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode. I'm Crypto Waymo, and here you can expect to receive the most recent news and updates in the world of cryptocurrency. So, in other words, when we know, you know. And it's just that simple, guys. All right? Glad everyone could join me today for another episode. Got a few pieces of information that I think is very, very important for you to be aware of as we come to the end of the week. Happy Friday, by the way, to everyone. Hopefully your week went well. Hopefully you're looking forward to the weekend. Hopefully the weekend has something positive in store for you. For me today, I want to get into a few details on where we stand in the market. And as usual, we want to talk about a few catalysts as well. Some information that I think really reinforces what we talk about a lot of time here on the channel of the value of cryptocurrency as well as the value of mainstream adoption and what role that plays in taking cryptocurrency to the next level. So with that being said, guys, let's get right into it. Okay, so as we see, our market is appearing to potentially make a turn bullish. So that's our hopes. As I emphasize all the time, the research is going to be the most valuable thing to help us to at least gain some form of insight of where we're moving overall as a market. Hopefully, you're bought into doing the research. Hopefully the research has not only brought you value, but hopefully the research has also paid you dividends as well. With the B-Word conference, we had a lot of valuable information that was expressed. We heard from, heavy influencers in the world of cryptocurrency, such as Cathie Wood, such as Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk, right? All confessing the value of cryptocurrency, the value of what they have and own personally on the level of cryptocurrency, and also how they see crypto, particularly Bitcoin specifically, in taking their immediate business ventures to the next level. We saw Cathie Wood literally vest throughout the duration of the B-Word conference. She, in the same time of that taking place, accumulated more Bitcoin. So just another example of people putting their money where their mouth is. And that's what this is all about. The knowledge is one thing. To know about crypto is fine. But I challenge individuals, what are you hodling? What coins do you have, right? If you have the knowledge with no application, ultimately you don't go to the moon with us. This is about doing the research, but most importantly, guys, getting skin in the game, accumulating, and preparing for these phenomenal returns that are ahead of us in the appreciation of crypto. One of those individuals that I mentioned, Jack Dorsey, who is the co-founder and CEO of Twitter. He's also the founder and CEO of Square as well. Take a look at what Jack Dorsey's thoughts were this morning in relationship to Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey mentions that Bitcoin is the key to the future of Twitter. So this is another example of what we talk about in terms of examples of mainstream adoption being right around the corner. Jack Dorsey truly believes in the value of crypto. He sees the value of Bitcoin in a long-term aspect, and it appears that Jack Dorsey is prepared to grow with Bitcoin. The Twitter CEO said that Bitcoin would be a big part of the company's future at the second quarter earnings call, outlining the digital currency's potential to further transform Twitter products and services. The CEO explained to investors that a lot of Bitcoin-enabled innovation is above just currency to be had, as Twitter is committed to decentralize social media and provide more economic incentives. He noted that Bitcoin is one of three key trends for Twitter's future alongside artificial intelligence and decentralization. I think it's hugely important to Twitter and the Twitter shareholders that we continue to look at the space and invest aggressively in it, he said. All right, so check out Jack Dorsey, guys, and Jack Dorsey's thoughts on where we are with crypto, and also his thoughts on how aggressively we should move forward in the world of cryptocurrency. Again, just something to really, raise some eyebrows and, really get you thinking in regards to, what the real truth is of cryptocurrency, and ultimately what you most likely can expect to see as it relates to mainstream adoption in the next 2 to 5 to 10 years in the crypto sphere, guys. Again, something that we're very, very excited about. And again, the research is what allows me to have this level of conviction. Now, to go on top of that, another example, very interesting and good news in relationship to the world of cryptocurrency. I wanted to also talk about a tweet here from Bitcoin Archive. States that Bitcoin Depot has installed 700 plus Bitcoin ATMs in partnership with convenience store Circle K in the USA. They're aiming for 6,000 Bitcoin ATMs by the end of 2021. Great news. This falls right in line with mainstream adoption that we've been talking about time and time again, and it falls right in line with the visibility of cryptocurrency day after day. Now we're seeing more ATMs, guys. For me, in the next 5 years, I see Bitcoin and cryptocurrency ATMs just in place, just as sought after as a standard ATM that you get US dollars or fiat currency out of. I truly feel that this is a strong, aggressive start that we're on pace for, and more institutions are going to continue to latch on to this, guys. So you personally, leave me in the comments feedback if you personally have seen any Bitcoin ATMs, if you've gone throughout your day. So what was your thoughts on it? Leave that information for me down in the comments, guys. I know me personally, right around the corner, I ran into a Bitcoin ATM station maybe about 2 months ago. That Bitcoin machine, with no coincidence, in the store, in the convenience store I'm referencing, is placed literally right next to the ATM. And when I saw that, through vision, I said to myself, eventually, this Bitcoin kiosk or ATM is going to completely take the place of this ATM alongside it. It showed me that the individuals there at that convenience store are preparing for the future. They understand the value of cryptocurrency, and they want to make sure that they have things in place to be able to take advantage of this wave. So that was my takeaway from seeing that. In the comments, let me know what your thoughts are. What's your takeaway from seeing mainstream Bitcoin ATMs be placed, and the aggressive push that they have to put over 6,000 Bitcoin ATM machines, across the U.S. What are your thoughts? Let me know, guys. Another interesting article that got my attention that I wanted to point out was in reference to Bitcoin and the world of real estate. As we know, real estate is also another industry, of course, that, we've always known to have appreciating value. I think this is a great opportunity to join forces here. And I think this is very, very insightful in helping us to identify how the value of capital that we accumulate from cryptocurrency can also be leveraged and utilized appropriately to also gain assets in the world of real estate as well. I think this is a great partnership. Take a look at this, guys, and the details in relationship to this. Bitcoin payments for real estate gain traction as crypto holders seek monetization. In the article, it states, this in mind, many crypto holders have started investing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies into less risky assets such as real estate. Ben Shaul, managing partner of Magnum Real Estate Group, told Cointelegraph that the company has recently been receiving more requests to sell real estate to cryptocurrency holders. According to Shaul, Magnum began conducting crypto for real estate transactions about 3 years ago. And I quote, "We hadn't tackled this before since most real estate developers didn't understand crypto payments, but we understood what it meant and how we could structure a sale for cryptocurrency. With the help of our legal team, we figured out how to conduct crypto transactions with the consent of regulators. We first sold a few residential units, and then we sold a retail condominium in New York about 3 years ago for cryptocurrency." And then later on in the article mentions, again I quote, "This property has over $1 million a year of free cash flow. This is a very attractive offering for someone sitting on wealth they've created from cryptocurrency. This gives us an opportunity to monetize and effectively collect a bond moving forward." Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, another example of the value of mainstream adoption and it being on its way, right? There are over 46 million Americans that currently own Bitcoin, right? So now is a great opportunity to give those individuals a way of monetizing those profits or returns that they've received from cryptocurrency through real estate. I think this is just the beginning of the partnership between cryptocurrency and real estate, and I definitely expect to see more examples of real estate joining forces with cryptocurrency and finding ways to monetize cryptocurrency as we move forward. So this is great news, whether you're in real estate, whether you're a cryptocurrency investor. I think this kind of joins worlds and it allows individuals another avenue to maximize their profits from crypto. So I'm very excited about this as well. I think this is another great catalyst that helps to stimulate cryptocurrency in upward trends, moving in the desired direction that we'd like to see it. Lastly, quoting here as well in the article, it then also goes on to mention this saves up to 1% of exchange fees and blockchain crypto transactions are 100% transparent and immutable. That's what we love about the value of cryptocurrency, guys. This blockchain allows everything to be transparent there. They also allow for smart contracts that let a user create, audit, and authenticate documents from any point of the world in real time. This eliminates the need for middlemen and minimizes the risk of any payment disputes as the transaction is completed only if all requirements are met. Beautiful. Again, the value of our smart contracts. And I truly feel, in my personal opinion, that the smart contracts bring an immediate level of value in other industries that, in my opinion, make me believe that there are going to be other industries, and their relationships to contractual agreements that will move to cryptocurrency, that will move to being engaged with the smart contracts, and will allow that to be the appropriate form of a more easier way of establishing a contract, which means all of the same terms that we usually see in a traditional long drawn out stacks of papers and documents and legal terms, etc. In today's world of cryptocurrency, it simplifies that process, still holds that same level of accountability, and both parties are able to move forward constructively. So again, the value of smart contracts, I think are going to bring more industries into doing business with cryptocurrency, and I look out for that because again, that also speaks to the mainstream adoption that we emphasize. All right, the last thing that I wanted to pinpoint, guys, again, mainstream adoption, staying in the spirit of that same discussion, I want to talk about Amazon. Guys, we know Amazon. There's probably most likely an Amazon truck passing by right now as I'm, giving this information out. I'm almost sure that you've seen an Amazon truck today, whether it be someone that passed by you, whether it be at your doorstep. We know, guys, the value of Amazon. We understand Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, is, the richest man in the world by no coincidence. We understand the value of Amazon. We understand how mainstream Amazon is. This is another reason why I'm so excited, guys, because I truly feel, in my personal opinion, that Amazon is right around the corner, guys, from accepting cryptocurrency as a part of their day-to-day processing. This is my opinion based on the research that I've leveraged, guys. It gives me every reason to assume that Amazon will be one of our next largest catalysts in the crypto sphere to commit and say, hey, we accept cryptocurrency. Guys, that's a no-brainer that if that decision comes into fruition and if cryptocurrency is accepted as a day-to-day currency in making our purchases in Amazon, this is huge, guys. I mean, this is an example of something that really can create spikes in the world. You truly want to get on board before this rocket takes off to the moon, guys. Amazon has literally talked about the strides that they're making to ensure that they can get in place for this to happen, guys. Take a look. Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency lead. The successful candidate will have expertise in cryptocurrency and central bank digital currencies, according to a job posting. Amazon is looking for a digital currency and blockchain product lead as the internet giant progresses with plans to bring its payment systems into the crypto age. That's enough for me, guys. That's enough for me to understand what Amazon's intents are, and it also helps me to understand what role I play in understanding that now is the opportunity to get ahead of news like this coming into fruition. I quote here in the Amazon article, "We're inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like on Amazon," a company spokesperson told CoinDesk. "We believe the future will be built on new technologies and enable modern, fast, and inexpensive payments, and hope to bring that future to Amazon customers as soon as possible." Hopefully you caught that, guys. Hopefully you understand what Amazon has up its sleeve. Guys, it's no longer a secret. I mean, this is no longer something that we have to play a guessing game on. Cryptocurrency, even though it's very, very early, cryptocurrency is here to stay, guys. There's the next years of appreciation lie right here in cryptocurrency. That's why I can't be more excited to be on board with cryptocurrency. This is probably the best financial investment that I've made. And I'm so excited to be a part of the 1% of people that are vested in cryptocurrency. And guys, I've just fastened my seatbelt, and I'm sitting tight, guys. This again, as I talk, this isn't about trading. This is day-to-day, simple investing, accumulating, and allowing myself to sit there and be patient, and allowing the work and the research to do what it does. And this is another example of why day-to-day, I think, gaining insight and news of what's really going out there in the world of cryptocurrency help us to stay away from the FUD. Help us to stay away from, someone just swaying us away because they're not vested in cryptocurrency, or they have the knowledge of cryptocurrency and have done nothing with it, guys. This is the best opportunity to get in my personal opinion. If you don't feel that way, that's perfectly fine. However, for me, I am totally confident that in the next 2 to 5 years, my financial situation will be on a completely different level and will give me the ability to not only help my family, but other immediate people around me. This is a game changer, not only for my family, but for other people around me who have seen or taken time to see the value in cryptocurrency and have made the appropriate investment for themselves and their families as well. Otherwise, guys, hopefully this is some news you can use. Hopefully this information was insightful. Hopefully this information helps to validate the decisions that you've made by investing in cryptocurrency for the long haul. If you think this information was valuable, guys, please like this video so we can get this information out to others that may have curiosity or interest in cryptocurrency. Feel free to share this video. Subscribe if you have not already to the channel, so then that way, as I drop more information, you can be one of the first ones to get it. Of course, as we know, you know, so it's just a matter of you staying connected to us, guys. I'm happy about the future. I'm happy about cryptocurrency and the future of it. Hopefully you are as well, guys. Thank you for tuning in to another episode, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.